my name is Gabriela Armijo. This is the term project. The topic is globalization the CEMEX way. CEMEX started since 1906 here in the northern of Mexico. CEMEX is 100% Mexican. I will show you some of the culture of Mexico. Mexico is the 14th largest country in the world. The Mestizo have the 60%, the Amerindian people have the 30%, and the rest for white people is the 9%. The language of Mexico. The principal language here is Spanish, spoken by 92.7%, and the other 6% is spoken by indigenous language like Maya, Nahuatl, and other regional languages. Religion. The principal religion here in Mexico is Catholic. Values of the Mexican people. The principal value for us is the family. They care a lot of their families. They also like to have a parties at their homes and make to feel comfortable to their visitors. Population here in Mexico is by 190,530,753 inhabitants in Mexico. There are three typically food here in Mexico that you already know. That is tortilla, the tequila, and tacos. As I already said, the CEMEX is the largest suppliers of building materials and cements here in Mexico, and is the third with more sales in the world. A phrase that said Lorenzo Zambrano is, when one wants to globalize the company, especially when it's from a developing country like Mexico, you really need to apply more advanced management techniques to do things better. We have seen many cement companies that use their capital to acquire other companies, but without making the effort to have a common culture or common process. They have stand. Business environments. Mexico ranks among the easiest countries to do business in Latin America. CEMEX started globalizing its operation in the 1990s. The company has been praised for its ability to successfully integrate its acquisitions. I will show you a short video that tells the history, present, and the future of CEMEX.
To know where you're going, you need to know where you've been. And for CEMEX, we've come a long way. Starting at the turn of the 20th century with the opening of our first cement plant in northern Mexico. Over the next 40 years, we quadrupled the output of our cement production. And after subsequent acquisitions within the Mexican market, by 1989, we were one of the top 10 cement producers in the world. In 1992, we then started to grow internationally through the acquisition of market-leading companies in Europe, Americas, Asia, and Africa. Today, CEMEX is a global leader in the building materials industry, with presence in more than 50 countries. And two of our core products, cements, whether in bags or in bulk, and aggregates when combined, create our third core product, concrete, the second most consumed material in the world after water. These products significantly contribute to the creation and development of the environment in which we all live. They support the construction of the infrastructure of our countries, power stations, water networks, schools, hospitals, roads, bridges, and railways. They support commercial developments, providing innovative and sustainable solutions for the buildings where we work, the malls where we shop, the stadiums where we experience our passions. And in your home, we produce the materials and products that form the foundations of your projects, the floors, the walls, and the roofs. When we combine the great responsibility of developing and sheltering our civilization with the issues posed by climate change and a world where growing demand for finite resources is placing great stress on our planet, we're taking our role seriously by being focused on rising to the challenge of developing bold, practical, and definitive solutions that lead the way to a cleaner, more secure, and more prosperous tomorrow.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Cemex is a company that always is innovating. It's a company that clearly develops innovation solutions for the construction industry as a leading company in that market. They contribute to the economic growth, be good to the environment, and contribute to social environment. They also take care about global warming. Cemex contributes to the environment with just wind energy and have a goal of substituting 35% of fossil fuels with other alternative fuels. They happen for a lot of difficulties. One of them is the crisis of 2008. Prices had fallen precipitously in response to the global downturn and crisis coupled with the substantial financial leverage that had accompanied the recent acquisitions. Other one is for enter a new market. They have a problem with Egypt that they like the cement of dark color because they think that these have a higher quality, while Mexicans prefer a light color in the rest of the world. So the solutions for the crisis, thanks to think quickly and innovate, strengthen the customer focus, offer solutions to clients. They said that sell a solution, not a product. They have a structure more horizontal and have a transparent environment. In the Jeep case, they have to make that cement for enter a new market. Some agreements that they have is a no dumping. In 2009, anti-dumping order is revoked, allowing cement from Mexico to enter the US without duties or their limit on volumes. Other agreement they have is the free trade NAFTA facilitate the export of the product to the United States and Canada. There are three elements that they use, that is primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary, they from the stone quarries is extracted the limestone and clay. After that, the secondary, they transform the stone from the raw material to have the final product. and they have to the territory is sell the product to the world. My conclusion is, thanks to the efficiency in the decision making, CEMEX has become a leading company in the sector at international level, in constant innovation and applying different strategies to satisfy the customer, giving added value. I hope you enjoyed my video and have a good day.